Hey, we got that foot on the gas like we on Motor Speedway. 180, I'm on the E-way. Smoke coming up, wanna see a donut. So I pull up the motherfucking E-brake. Under the seat is a 3.8. Them tops, they smell like a DJ. Then I double back to the sink, cause I know that someone got it on instant replay. Went and dropped the bag just for the tune-up. We need extra speed. 20 for the rap, posted that Bolero sitting extra clean. Waiting for the ghost, he bending corners in the SRT. Fume on the daily, we got them niggas screaming F.O.D. like I'm Ghosty VA. We got that foot on the gas like we on Motor Speedway. 180, I'm on the E-way. Coming up, wanna see a donut. So I pull up the motherfucking E-brake. Under the seat is a 3.8.
Man, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Ghost VA, man. I'm back with another video, man. Back with another banger, man. You know what it is, man. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. We're going up all 2021. Man, I hit 500 subs, man. Hey, I say when I say 1K was the next goal, man, I'm one step away from being a 1K. So let's get that 1K, man. I don't know what I got planned for on 1K, man. Like I said, might be a burnout, might be a merch giveaway, another cash giveaway. But I still got to do that cash giveaway. That will be today. I don't know when it's going to be, honestly. Sometime this week. Like I said, I need to link up with Big Bro. Man, other than that, man, as you know, I had the pedal commander on my Dodge Charger. I got rid of that for Hemiwife 44 pedal control. Man, big change difference, man. Just got it in. We finna install it. Well, I'm not going to install it because I already got it installed. So if you need to see how to install it, it's the same way you install a pedal commander. Go look for that video. It's on my channel. Install that pedal control. Install the pedal control. Don't get that pedal commander. So if you got that pedal commander, damn, I can't talk. If you got that pedal commander, you need to get rid of it and get this pedal control, man. So we're going to go through the app, see what it's about. I'm going to show you what it's about. I'm going to give y'all some footage of me driving it, my first reaction to it. I may have a passenger with me. Well, it depends if he pulls up or not. But other than that, man, let's go ahead and get into the banger. All right, so here's the app right here. Pedal control, man. As you see, we got valet mode, theft mode, kids mode, eco mode, sport mode, and my favorite, give the smoke, man. We'll talk about that one here in a minute. But, you know, valet mode is your typical, if you letting somebody drive your car, you put it on that. Theft mode is like, when you're not in it, you can keep your car in theft mode. This gives you no acceleration at all. Kids mode, I don't know what you want to call it. I guess you have kids in the car, but I'm never riding kids mode. Eco mode, you know, saves you gas. You got sport mode, which is sport mode. Hey, but when I say give the smoke, so give the smoke, man, you can rename it. You can adjust how much you want your throttle to open. I got mine on full. Mine is on full, man. Let's see. Got sport. That's the way sport is, like that. This is all the let's see what this modified pedal percent, real pedal percent. So let's see, eco. What's eco mode? I'm gonna show you what all these are adjusted to. These are all stock, base, and everything on here. Kids mode ain't got shit. What is that on 40? And theft, you know, there ain't gonna be nothing on theft. Look, zero out, it's zeroed out. And this one you can 40, 50, but you can click that. But let's go ahead and get this video going. Let me show y'all a reaction. All right, YouTube. So right now, I guess y'all can see that I got it in theft mode. So I'm stepping on the gas. Y'all see nothing happening. So I'm gonna put it in valet mode. I'm gonna see if I can hear the difference in revs. That's valet mode rev. This is kids. I just turned my sport mode on too, so I might change it. This is eco mode. Sport. So alright, to me that I guess they all sound about the same. And this is the custom one to give the smoke. So give the smoke, like I said, you can adjust it to where you want it. And I got it on max to the max to the max to the max. So let's put it on give the smoke. You see that? Give the smoke. Y'all hear that? It's talking. So let's go ahead and roll, man. We're gonna roll. I'm gonna go ahead and skip that mode because I'm not trying to roll with that one. But we're gonna go ahead and roll with the valet mode real quick. Hey, y'all getting the first reaction, man. First reaction to this. Damn, I'm in valet mode. My foot is on the pedal. And I'm just scrolling, man. I feel like I'm back in the V6, man. Hey, I'm going to put this pedal control on the V6. I got kids in the streets, so got kids in the streets, so I gotta wait for them to go by. What's up? But anyway, man, let's get back to the video. Neighbors like the car. Hey, but everybody's finna like the car when the Remix 2.0 comes on the way. B&G Raps. Shout out B&G Raps, man. We're gonna get this thing right. All right, man. So let's go ahead and get out of valet mode because I'm not riding with it. We in kids. I think kids is worse than valet mode. My car is on sport mode. Oh, I'm not liking this kids mode either. Neighbors, man. Neighbors. Hey, hopefully somebody pulls up next to me so I can put on and give the smoke. Because if you pull up next to me, that's what I'm putting on. I'm giving you the smoke. Okay. Kids. I'm not rocking with kids, man. I'm gonna throw it in eco mode. And you can't change this while you're driving because, you know, the pedal commander, you can't do that. But you can change this one while you're driving. That's not really doing too much. I gotta stay on the lookout for them laws. Hey, hold on, I think I just found me a car, man. Alright, so I just threw it in sport. Right now, y'all see that. Sport mode is on. Oh, he don't want the smoke. Some rusty. Oh shit! Oh, hey man, I'm just in sport mode, and I'm putting back in my seat. Oh, hey man, if you don't got this pedal control, man, I don't know what you are doing. You need to get this pedal control, man. Hey, we finna put it and give the smoke. Once I hit this corner, I'm gonna give y'all pull back on the way down. Hey, I'm scared to put it in motherfucking. That was just sport mode. What are you doing, guy? Okay, we got a little burnouts going. Hey, so we are gonna give this smoke. Oh shit! Hey, man, this is definitely worth it, man. You need to get one of these. We're gonna downshift it real quick. Let's see if y'all can hear the downshift. Y'all hear that? Pull up to me, man. I am putting this on your ass. I'm giving you the smoke. If you got a scat pack, I'll give you run for your money. But if you a stock RT57, you pull up next to me, you are getting got. Man, I gotta get one of these, man. This is insane. Man, as y'all see, man, I'm in Give the Smoke. Hey, this thing is, hey, I swear with this thing, it's louder. So this made my car louder when it's on Give the Smoke. So you know that throttle body is open a lot, way more, man. So what we're gonna do right here, I'm gonna do it from a dig. Make sure there's no cops. Hey, that is stupid. That is crazy stupid. Hey man, like I said, man, if you don't got one of these, you need to get one ASAP because it's definitely worth it. Go ahead and spin that. They're like $2.99. Yeah, I would get one. Hey man, but I'm in this video, man. Hope y'all really enjoy. I'm finna roll the house and edit this footage, man. Drop the video, man. Go ahead and give your boy a thumbs up, man. You got to get you one of these, man. But other than that, man, Ghosty V8 out.
Drift up like I'm Ghosty V8. We got that foot on the gas like we on Motor Speedway. 180, I'm on the E-way.